rescue the perishing, care for the dying, snatch them in pity from sin and the grave. We bore the erring one, lift up the fallen, tell them.
And answer your more quaba, Medofopa, about rescue the perishing, you may dear, Danny Day, you know, idiot, so. Oh, at the saying, Yea, Unyamia dome, no more bro, and in the tress of pebinti, Yahoye, papa. Asadi, what you say, wow, we share a brim, and a wow, what tea and canon, also on a year. It in Chiaka Sear Edifi, Agape Top Church of Christ, in Chain and Abide Ebrel. Na yekoswa edawase said Danny Day nyina obo homodin ehwe video yi na wo share mpo edema afoforo message yemo homodin se bekoswa subscribe to your YouTube channel Rescue the Perishing no netumi aboa na ya share ama afoforo nso ehu no kra ebremu yede ebrel yada so awo COVID-19 ebremu eno nti adesua yede ebrel a Danny Day nyina iguso enu wusua no gasi. Do not be deceived in this era of COVID-19. It didn't kind of work a kind in some be dada. Then also ye try and some no eso. Then ye day ebre no said they die and ye didn't kind of kasaka crafa coronavirus no. It off ba. A man fire we any agro if you say ya dear at your how kese and ya bre a nipa ebrea ye wumi. Now so yantia say a nipa bra boy ye woman. Yamkopa fire massa sisu to have a welder just or how be a enim until so how be a to ye na a canipa isu ana a nipa abrabo me try adwen gina so bio say COVID-19 real dofopa na ne real a no eni say ene wo kinkan nsem a ekoso wo wiase ntintan kese so a yes, a nipa etumenya yawe be more than 3 million, which is quite scary. Hu kakra ema yen ayete ase ne. If we say and shada nya so easy for us to just embrace it say na e was say itumi efa de ni sifa. Then so ye ben den inya dewi. Nempo ene me no ka say yaman ya yetemu Ghana no. Udi eya adwen say asa this time me no edi nkomo yi enipa about 1671 ene enya yawe ebi emu 188 ene nyame adom mo tumi a recover eze omo enwo asan ye won din bio ebrei mu de enipa dunsia 16 ahwere won kwa eno nti eya na enhyada nye ebre papa saa emahe na mom nia ebetumi akade a kire oni se yemo ehomodin se ebetwe enwo afri bebie nipa bebre ewo ehom yem practice social distancing na fe yen koso ohoro yen nsa ho ebre ne ebre nyina na ebre no a yebekọ krom ni ade no yem make sure se yekita ye nose mask ibi na etumi aboye ho ban fi se ne ekoso no yanhwe ni yi a afa be wi ase no na wonso akwa saa ya we bi ana menso makwa saa ya we bi enu ti yambo ehomodin say yemfa ye ho enko farfor bi enipa don bebre ewo if we say COVID-19 no real without ba ya say do not be deceived in this era of COVID-19. There are so many deception na brain so data na uko internet isu a YouTube ni Facebook ni ade egusu bebre Nemu bi na ye pese ye twa adwen agina so efisa won kwaje ho ehia ye enu ti ne adwuma de ya to ne din say Rescue the Perishing won a eyira no ye na munyankopon no kura bi so ebie ni pani ama wo hu no kura no se ne be ya no kura ne be ma waye adehye edofo ba ebremu ye ba bebo video bi e de a kirew a efa opanin ana osofo owusu bempa eho Obeka insembi ewa bra COVID-19 ni shase ewo Kofi TV. Sa anso so na brebi nso osan call na 2 a host bi efa no anan koku anan interview no a ono so eso nia okaye eniti hwe video yi na yenni ho nkomo kakra.
kyerɛ no ko adifo ba coronavirus yare no me nyintum se nyame na yeye nti nyame pa no be yopa wonyi but ade nyame bɛyɛ no bible no sɛ onyame nye bribi wankasa bronsam nye bribi o se onyame nye bribi ade so yi kyerɛ no ko adifo e pa cho se ote asɛm na se yi sana bible ko ti na yen read na
no meti ho na se pa
nti na ka no kra ko ti means you know it
sure na ke se we no che se nyame na ye
enye nyame na de saa coronavirus yare we ba ise me kunkum ni pemfra asase so
nti bonsam na de ba
ma me kyerɛ wade bi nyame eye hardly say nyame be ya de a ebe me ebe ton sore dan
nti bonsam na me ya
okay Christopher me ana me to asore 2 weeks say masamba ana 4 weeks masamba ma ye hwehwemu ahu say wa wo ye osofo afi so betimi akwakoye wa sore me dem mfa na embom say mo ye aso na coronavirus ibi echi obi wa so dem mon me do be court udi fa ye be jeliu anka be hu ka me kra na nka me start ma sore first na me ye sure say nka nyame nko anka be hu asofo be ya sore
wo mu anya
ya ti obronsam ento asore mu ye man pani ni ato asore mu
okay bonsam na de yade na ba na man pani ato
bronsam na de yare ne ba ye because at the money bi ya bronsam betimi afa nipa so mpo de yare aba kansen bi man crofort nye mabiase nyame betimi ayi bibia kyerɛw ubɔ ho mpa yɛ de ebesi
ubɔ ho mpa yɛ de ebesi
sa coronavirus yare ya abai there is something behind it anu nti na nem wahanum se yɛbɛkyerɛ ne yɛmem se wiase kwa wie ya nipo prophesy about the end of this world Jesus deɛ no na ɛyɛ accurate ono a prophesy ɛyɛ Yeshua HaMashiach
okay
na the prophecy no ana the prophetic word no declare ya no wan ka sem papa bia ɛwɔ ne prophetic utterances no ɛkyɛ sɛ bibi papa bɛsi this end time ne simo ka yɛ nyina yɛ de ehu ako ɛne ɛkom economical
chasa asumdwe pa de bi ma asase so sa within that time frame
no
I see
ɛno nti ɔka sansɛm ni nyina wie ya no ɛna ɔka sɛ we yɛ ɔwokon yɛ mfitiaseɛ
ni mfitiaseɛ pa
ɔwokon yɛ mfitiaseɛ te sɛ ɔba ɛkɔwo na awo ka na ɛho ntete ho no enti bra yɛ wɔ mi ɛyɛ ɛho ntete ho no awokon yɛ mfitiaseɛ enti obi a onim de enhunu sɛ awieyɛ no apena no ne yɛduri yɛnya nwura mu but apena no ni ɛno nti na ɛnam Yesu Kristo asɛm ɔkan a ɛwɔ sɛ ne prophecy yɛ fulfilled nti no obi bia no obetumi astop coronavirus agye nyame bambi na yɛ nya no aduru ba so ɔsɔfo bi ka so obetumi abɔmpa astop coronavirus a ɛno ɛna ɛka ho bi aboa ma Yesu Kristo ne ma yɛtɔ so mienu na aduru hɔ enti mo obi amblemu sɔfo bi sa de ntina mo nkɔbɔ mpa yɛ ɛma coronavirus no mfiri hɔ anaasɛ wo mpa yɛ mo obi a coronavirus ɛwɔ no so na ɛnkɔ ya wade bi won ma nyame na ahyehyɛ yemu sɛ ho sɛ coronavirus we onyame botaye
Mera wasi sɛ wahwɛ video yɛ de ama yɛ na sɛ wotie video no eyi a wobɛte nsɛm bi a ɛkɔ so ne ebisa ho sɛ nti no kura bi wɔ san nsɛm yi ana edi kan opani no aka sɛ coronavirus no emfi onyankopɔn na yɛ ɔbonsam na ayɛ saa ɛna ɛnam so nti ɛma mpani so atoto nsɔre. This is the first point of make here. And the second point o make bio no so ɛne sɛ afei deɛ ɛyɛ onyankopɔn no a na de aba na po wa link e de ama the book of Matthew chapter 24 and 25 sɛ ɛyɛ prophecy a Yesu Kristo de mae ɛde no kra na was in nsɛm but nipa bebre na was so kuta sa mentality ne sɛ ampa prophecy a ɛwɔ book of Matthew chapter 24 no ɛfa coronavirus ho na binum po de kyerɛkyerɛ ahodoɔ bebre a yɛdwuma de so yɛba bɛda na di akyerɛw sɛ ɛnyɛ no korɛ na wɔn a yɛfrɛ wɔn premillennialist no ana the system of doctrines a yɛfrɛ wɔn premillennialism Sankrofo no ekita nkyerɛkyerɛ bi a ebi ene dia papa yi eken na wonam a wo kyerɛkyerɛ sɛ antichrist bi ebeba wonam kyerɛkyerɛ sɛ rapture bi ebeba wonam kyerɛkyerɛ sɛ Yesu Kristo beba bedi 1000 years wɔ asase so wonam po kyerɛkyerɛ sɛ akoko ne ade a ekokɔ so wɔ nnɛ ebi a yeti bi no ene yaredom yi no eno na Yesu Kristo eka ho asɛm bidofo pa enya saa na tie na senti a enti saa no ene ya ba beda saa dwumedie no edi de akyerɛw o kind the book of Matthew chapter 24 a manim die kakra menya wo nyame asɛm no kyerɛ ma ehum sɛ ekita two major division na major divisions there wo mu no first part no and talking about coronavirus there be sana dia nkofo yi kan nyina na enye sa na tie na mom ye nim no say kasafa the destruction of Jerusalem general titles emma sa de yi esiye anunti for Bible ni yankenkan because we tie opening nsem o kenkan ye nyina na Bible say na Nyankopon ka say onza gbe mie Bible quotation ankan ankyerɛw indi wa wuti a wonso onfa wadwen enko nyame asɛm no so yie no wobɛgya tum sɛ nea ɔka no nkrɛ nanso na da bebree na wom ne nam nyame asɛm so ɛbɛda ne nyina di de akyerɛw fa Bible ne nkenkan Matthew chapter 24 ye kan from verse 1 downwards no de aba ne ahwɛ nsɛm kakra bi a ɛwɔ ɛno nti yentie de nyame asɛm ɛka de kyerɛ yɛn ɔse then Jesus went out and departed from the temple. And his disciples came up to show him the buildings of the temple. And Jesus said to them, do you not see all these things? Assuredly, I say to you, not one stone shall be left here upon another that shall not be thrown down. Yakai verse 1 and 2. Yankwe verse 3. Now, as he sat on the Mount of Olives, the disciples came to him privately, saying, tell us, when will these things be? And what will be the sign of your coming and of the end of the age? Jina verse 3 so ni enyam pensem mu bi kakra. Yes, science akenkan ni subio. Now, as he sat on the Mount of Olives, the disciples came to him privately, saying, tell us, when will these things be? This is the first question. Omubisa. Ebrahim na nsɛm a waka sɛ ɛdan yɛ esiwe temple no enya ɛboɔ ketewa baako koraa ni wa yɛbɛgya de esi so na mom yɛbɛdwiri ni nyina egu fam. This is the question from the context that yɛ kenkan. Immediately asɛm a yɛbisa nie Ebrahim ɛna Jerusalem temple yɛbɛdwiri egu fam sɛ de awoka no. Indi Yesu anu yi ode beba ni nyina no we should center it to nia oka no. Another question or sign or sign beside and say, and what will be the sign of your coming? O my be no, Sanjane Bang and a young train who say you want, they just am power brass on over. That also means, and of the end of the age. Afe a brand can say we again, a brand as I near my way in a busy. These are three major questions. Nina medumadi so abebe yi ensemu ya no na fa ye bie wanu hu se de opani ne keka no ene de nipa bebre ekeka wa ene ye wiase mu na nya no kre na no kra bi a wo mu no ene ne aye da ne di e de akere wo no bedofo ba oto aso verse 4 or see and Jesus answered and said to them, take heed that no one deceives you. Anani aba won cha ye ne wuye hwe hu ye no bia madada. Verse 5. For many will come in my name, saying, I am the Christ, and will deceive many. And you will hear of wars and rumors of wars. See that you are not troubled, for all these things must come to pass. But the end is not yet. Yesu Kristo de okani say, emo bia medada, for say, nipa bi baba beka say, mini Yesu no, me kra mini tade na ye titi bi. Mobeti ekon ene ekon ho popoya wodo wa mama bi so ba muti san nsem we ya mama kuma entu efise we mu no eyade a ewase ebem na mom ebre na wie yankasa de emahe This is clear in your Bible. Verse 7. For nations will rise against nations and kingdom against kingdom. And there will be famines, pestilence, and earthquakes in various places. And there's a niyama way a koso. Into obi kinkan pe or say oh eno ni near AC. All these are the beginning of sorrows. Sa niyama we nyina eya reho no fiti ase kra no. Verse 9. Then they will deliver you up to tribulations and kill you, and you will be hated by all nations for my name's sake. And then many will be offended, will betray one another, and will hate one another. Then many false prophets will rise up and deceive many. Verse 12. And because lawlessness will abound, the love of many will grow cold. But he who endures to the end shall be saved. And until Jesus Christ okikasa ansem we nyina no asama wa rechichire so kakra. Medofo pa. Okay, kan sa ansem verse 14 and 15. Matthew ekoti dia Daniel chapter 9 verse 27 eka ye no osansi subio. Dina yesa asem we asem a odifo Daniel akandada. Nti wo Bible no kinkan ya obehu ni se ewum. But my men can verse 16 if say Breno any war my. Then let those who are in Judea flee to the mountains. Let him who is on the rooftop not go down to take anything out of his house. And let him who is in the field not go back to get his clothes. But woe to those who are pregnant and to those who are nursing babies in those days. And pray that your flight may not be in the winter or on the Sabbath. Yesu kikas ansem we nyina kire won emma won say some person muhu say ebra the destruction of Jerusalem will be take place sa niema we na me no come asem we enya de a yebetumi link to coronavirus ana ye de beba ye man mu abeka se de ekoso ha no ene ne de Yesu Kristo kan yi tie nsam no ye na twa adwen nyina so say o kasafa the Jerusalem temple no, and it is about the destruction of Jerusalem. Anunti okache won say won mo mpaye no wo dwane no amma awo bra bi say awo bra no do a very serious say obi betumi kra pia bonten. In that time we shall dem wana soldiers for betia shall so then abey medofo. Sansu so na mo mpaye no mu dwane na amma homeda. Nti asie mu no kan Nehemiah chapter 13 verse number 19 na du homeda bia all the Jerusalem cities ni e close no. Nizamushem na nkofo be invade mu a eden abobe cause mu ye harmless. Eyi ade bia enyema nsam yi kekan bedofo ba untumi enlenke ma coronavirus mani nyeye. Ni Yesu kekan sansem we nyina atwe wadwen de gina so se wonhwe won ho yie enye sa nkofo de bedada ho. This is about the Jerusalem temple, and as at AD 64 approximately AD 70 and as anima we esiye and me no di ho dance e o ka ba kwasem a enim ne esiye e wo bra general titles e ko destroy Jerusalem. Amunti sansem we ni nsem a nkofo akenkan na afa wo gina so wo de kata che se anunti no eno ne dia coronavirus onyankopon e de bese wi asini bedofo ba enya sa na tie yanti coronavirus ho asem dia wa ha anunti let us stick to the context. Na fa ye nyina no kra no a onyankopon asem dia amaye no so na no na betumi aboaye bedofo ba okenkan nsem we nyina ni Yesu Kristo okan nyina eno afa u bebedu verse number 34 and 35 no a okenkan nsem we nyina wie afa no bebe the second question no a ye bisa no and the second question is say ebreben and the maye to su mienu no odofo ebeba. Verse number 36. But of that day and hour no one knows, not even the angels of heaven, but my Father only. And the Yesu Kristo okeni o se sa da no de onipa bia enim abofo no mpo enim dimeja owosoro no nko a. If you look at Mark chapter 13 verse number 32 no a Mark account no mpo de to aso say not even the son. It is Yesu Kristo no abo onim. But I don't hear him say what he has here. If he said when he was in the form of human no na onim. But the bro azumi the position as God. Philippians chapter 2 verse 6 down was no cancer asem no bi kire no onyankopon tibie mu no to no ho pan baaye but emra owu ye sorry ye no san zoom in the place now he is part of the Godhead and therefore he is omniscient, he is all knowing and he is all powerful. Inti Abraham you can't answer more which you understand that now the son knows. If you say John chapter 5 verse 22 no catch here say it doesn't move be attain. No the atebu aso ba nsa. So at the end of the day the obebebu ya attain no on any Christo whether you believe it or not. Yeah we nyini no nsesanhwe. Many people do say they don't believe in heaven, they don't believe in hell. But the mere fact you don't believe in hell no doesn't mean say hell does also believe in you. Hell believes in you when you die a sinner. Dopa wo obani mu ne ehwe. Iwe anu ubehu ne ewom. In his answer we are cosway. So be anim nti am pani bia metena TV so wani internet so me kan kire o say we kire Yesu maye o san ba no. This is a sign. No. One first sign am obia. He didn't give any sign. So bebe ne so bebe bremu so bebe ochina bebe da be yenim. It's a secret. They at the end of the day okikaye no the better to Noah and Nano ehun. Therefore, and Sanya osi actually asem ni mu no yenkoe verse number 38. But as the day of Noah were, so will the coming of the Son of Man be. For as in the days before the flood, they were eating and drinking, marrying and giving in marriage, until the day that Noah entered the ark. And unti ose Yesu Kristo maye no. Said the Noah nanu ye no, sa na Yesu ye bremu na beden. Ebeye. The Noah nanu mu no before sa flood ni besi no. Amanfo didi no mu ye jiwo ani, de beka bia ye nteye. Eden Nyankopon di nsuo bese wiase. Nanso ade ni siye. 2 Peter 3 verse 10 okaye. Say it so wifo a oba anadwo ababewi omo nkaye. Sa no Nyankopon na no etie. Ne maye to so mienu no ho asem. Anu ye wo mu no. Emo bia megina on be kan so ye prophet and for that matter no hu bibi we hu Yesu Kristo da and why ni say ni na ye ntro. Do not be deceived in this era of COVID-19. They are only just causing fear and panic. Send your bear, no nipa hu bebo hu nya de no. The proper way you betumi dey account Nyankopon asem no ne ye no wochiri. Open kwaje a you will search for it. Bedafopa. Anu ti Yesu Kristo yi sansem we nyina no. Verse 42 of Matthew chapter 24 say, watch therefore, for you do not know what hour your Lord is coming. Anu ti monwen na munnim edapon a ajenkwa no oba medafopa. Eno kasansem we nyina wi a yesa atwa adwen de agina so opanini ni nsem bi okeka ye na ye to de bia many people do point out to wars, epidemics and link all these things say ayen chire Matthew chapter 24 ebinum cry the book of Revelation cry ka ho 666 the mark of the beast antichrist ni ade orofo no kra bia ni sansem mu ye panukra bi onyame asem a eno ne de ne ye no ehwe hwa Bible mu na kinkan na obeti de ye ka nyina ase ne akire badwen no fabra comment section na se ye benam onyame asem so ayiwa no na fe etumi ate sansem ya se. This is not the first time in our world history. Yahweh bi ana say bi ati sei AC. It is hybrid no so the AC ye no ka fa for no so won ka say. Because in the 14th century, abakwasam kire say bi baby ase na fa the Black Plague. Na sa dia no ekele about 30 to 60% of Europe's. Ekuni pa sabre no, enipa bebre. Ebia ye de toto ene ye de yi ho a emehu bebia. Midofuba. Afei in the year 1918, yes, Spanish flu be ebaye. Abakwasam clear. Na ebaye no ekunipa over 20 million. Sango fo nyina enu se sabra no ke the best say Matthew chapter 24. Na se sample na ti abiem bi say how many times does prophecy fulfills? And come shall fulfill how many times? It is only once. And he says, ke the bama the anymore no. Just a brain. Ne ye brain so ne ye better Bible amaye. And it was written long ago. And in the crabby woman was ye tenant near her, and mama ye my own crime will be a medada. In fact, trolls and be a mreye, and because if you are in panic, no crano must be told. nti de no wo kani ye no wo ka ye besan aba wo ncha bio ye besan ba betwe wadwen de gina premillennialism nchekere ni bi eso say antichrist any 666 rapture any sanyema no ye bekoso anu wahwemu adesua ni ehu nukura bia ewom. Do not be deceived, for God is not mocked. Nyankopon wonsi na atwetwe yonipa guo no eno a enatwa ye din ka cho say sankofo yi it is their mind game no mu play dey maye. Hwɛ the first video if you bonsam, the second video if you nyame. Is God so confused to use a man of God or a prophet? What to make a can somewhere tisa na. Therefore, no ni na ho. You say wo hwɛ no kra na chi kwan a wo be hu no kra no na no kra na be ma wo waye odihye. Me de wo baby here. Na for Bible ni enkan Matthew chapter 25. Enkan fi verse number 13. Assembly wo ho person twa adwingina so. Watch therefore, for you know neither the day nor the hour in which the Son of Man is coming. He says it should be the amount. Watch therefore, for you know neither the day nor the hour in which the Son of Man is coming. Obi enim. Osi oya prophet, osi den no ka che oso nimu a, sini hu se oboa. If you say onyame asem sa enetie. Ena so yasan e de wo aba eweye e wo na adesua ni mu. E be san ba wo chen bio. Ti de dani de nyina ye ka che o ne se ye hwe hu yie ne amfa ye ho ankofori won wa enya ya hwe yi bi. E be ya hye wo fie. Stay home and stay safe. But modern so be practice social distancing. Obe wo hye won sa from time to time. Etumi aboa wo. Afa so modern so obe di nuane a very healthy, betumi boost wo immune system. Eno ena be ma yesamba wo ncha biewu a betumi ene wo di nkoma fo nyame asem. Se na nyame no kra ba wo ncha ya medofo pa. To na menton yeda wase si wetie Yankopon sha. Bye bye.
Tell them of Jesus the mighty to save, rescue the perishing.